It is now day 396. I have not had any contact with the outside world, and I'm starting to think that they're onto me. Alright, so I am currently in Glenwood Springs, Colorado. Yesterday was a long-ass drive as usual. Today is just another long-ass day. I'm going to be driving from here all the way down to Vegas. I'm almost there. I am pretty close. I'm stopping in Vegas, then from Vegas I'm driving up the next day, and I will be at my new home in California. I am excited. I kind of wish that this drive would just be over with, to be honest, because I can't really enjoy it that much the way I want to. I mean, I can, but I don't want to spend more money than, I really budgeted for the whole trip to begin with. That was my view last night outside the hotel. That's crazy. Like, I feel like the video just doesn't even do it justice. That's a big-ass mountain right there. Colorado was just so beautiful, and I'm kind of just pissed off that I can't stay and actually, like, roam around and enjoy it. I've always wanted to, but it's not as fun when you go and you're just out by yourself and you're limited on funds kind of deal. But I'm definitely coming back. I am definitely going to come back and visit this place again. It's been on my bucket list to go to. I actually came so I can kind of check it off, but I'm going to come back and do it much better. Trying my best to speak up because there's a lot of road noise on this highway. The country is just beautiful, and it's crazy going from seeing like mountains covered with snow and trees and stuff to like almost a desert. You know what I mean? But there's still so many views, and that's why I love this part of the country so much, because no matter what you do, there's always views. I'm all about the views. All about the views. It's just nice. It's like a big difference from back home. Like, there's so many rocks. Like, no matter where you look, there's just always something to look at. From fucking, I don't know, the scenery to animals to, I don't know, everything's out here. Colorado, like I said, I definitely love that state. It's a state that I definitely would not mind going back to, spending more time, and probably like living in for a little bit, if depending on where life takes me, pretty much. I'm so happy right now that I'm doing this trip. It's just an eye-opening experience, and like I said before, I highly recommend, if you can do it, grab some of your buddies, family, friends, whatever, and just hit the road. Like, it's such a humbling experience just to see the country itself. It's amazing. Just take it in. It's ridiculous. You'd be a fool not to. Hit every state, see what it's about. Kind of open your eyes a little bit about, and get out from the regular. Just enjoy it. You live such a short life that you shouldn't waste it being in one spot. We have so much in this country to take in, and I feel like that's a mistake that a lot of people make, is feeling that they're stuck. And you're not. Like I said it before, you're not stuck. You can go anywhere you want in this world. It's just a matter of doing it. So I just made it to Utah. Back home, speed limit is 65. Out here, what does it say? 80. What the hell you need to do 80 out here for? It's like shit. You know what they do? They want you to go fast. That way, if you crash, you just die and get it over with. That way they don't have to drive out to the middle of nowhere and come save your ass. Like, this is crazy. I feel like I'm going to get in trouble driving this fast. This is definitely a change from home, but you can see the mountain over there, snow on it still, just open road. I'd much rather be driving this though than to be driving down a road with fucking cornfields again like last time. Boom. after about like 9.5 hours of driving today, I finally made it to Vegas. Oh my God. There's so much, I don't know, I can't say emotion, but it just hits me in the feels being back here, because I was here like, what, 5 or 6 months ago for my birthday, and I had such a blast. It just sucks that this time I can't really stay, which is kind of a good thing, so I don't blow a lot of money. It sucks to be here alone. I'd rather be out here, you know, enjoying it, going to the casinos, going wherever, and just having a ball. But I'm here. I'm almost back up in California, and it makes me so excited. This is like almost the final stretch. Tomorrow I am gonna get up and drive my last 8.5 hours or so up, and then I will be in California. So yeah, I'm excited. If you haven't been to Vegas, you need to get your ass out here. I mean, there's everything you need. It's just an adult playground. Like, you got money, cars, booty, casinos, food, like everything you need is out here. But today it's just hot as fuck outside. It's like 97 degrees out. Damn, really though? I need to get my ass to bed. Yo, driving the fucking 9.5 hours a day or so is killing me. I don't know how I am doing this. Like, it's insane. I never imagined myself driving that much a day, and I'm surprised I haven't lost my mind yet. But honestly, I am so tired, and I feel like I could sleep for like 3 days straight. And the fact that I have to drive again tomorrow is like, it's eating at me, but I'm almost there. I am almost there. Like, wow. Tomorrow it would all be over, and I will make my way finally to my new home in California. And I am so excited. I still can't believe that I actually left Connecticut, and it hits me in the feels that I left my best friends, family and such, but it's all for the better. And you know, sometimes you just gotta go and chase your dream, man. You know, you can't let things hold you back, and friends, if they're good ones, they'll be forever. So with that said, I am gonna go get some rest, and I will see you guys tomorrow bright and early to make my way to California. Peace. Almost done. So this is it, the final day of this trip. I am still in Vegas. I am getting ready to go get gassed up, grab some coffee, and hit the road. There is like an overwhelming sense of accomplishment starting to come over me, and I just can't wait for this to be done. I've driven across about 11 or 12 states so far, and what, 2,600 miles about? Like, that's a long ass time. It's taken me, this is the 5th day. So it'll be done today, and I will be in California, and you know, new beginnings on the horizon, so I can't wait. So I'll see you guys on the road. So I made it into California. I am currently driving through the Mojave Desert right now, at the bottom of California, and I must say it's definitely a change from back home. Like, the East Coast is completely different from this, and the crazy shit is I love it. It's nice to look around, and even though it's just a desert, you know, just see different, like a different scenery. You got cactus everywhere, mountains in the background. It's dry as fuck out here, but it's just nice. It's nice to just be surrounded in a new area. I will be arriving in about another 7 hours, so yeah, it's crazy. This is so crazy. Like, I can't believe that I've actually driven all the way across the country and made it to California. Like, that's insane. It's taken a while, but I'm almost done. I am almost done. Finally did it. So after driving across 12 states, about 5 days, and about 3,000 miles, I finally made it to California. Words cannot explain how happy I am to be here, and the fact that I completed the journey. Like, that trip has honestly been the biggest mental hurdle that I've ever had to overcome, from leaving home to driving across the country by myself. You know, it's hard. It was definitely difficult, and I'm just so happy that I did it. Like, that was something I've always wanted to do, and I am finally here to start fresh and just make the most of my life going forward. I just want to thank everybody who has supported me from day one, from the whole journey, and people who just checked in on me the whole time that I've been on the road. It means a lot. You guys know who you are, and I seriously appreciate it. It means a lot to have such a huge support system behind me, and so many people just supporting me, for this, so that I can just succeed, live the lifestyle that I want to live. It's incredible. So with that being said, I am going to sleep my ass off for the next few hours and just recoup. If you guys enjoyed the video and are looking forward to more, please make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I posted them down in the description below. So I will see you guys soon.